Having successfully submitted my credentials through the Jubilee Coalition, I am ready. Bearing in mind, so Betty Adera is a mother of 2 young men, and Betty Adera is a public health specialist by profession, specializing on public health policy and financing, and currently pursuing her doctoral studies at Euclid University, hoping to be a specialist again on adolescent sexual reproductive health and rights. I am the Miss President, Nairobi City County, and to my name, there are numerous local and international awards following the works of humanity that I have done not only in Kenya, but globally. I'm the patron of the Young Women Forum in Africa. I am a Global Icon Award winner by the Passion Vista, and I'm also an honoree of Humanitarian Award by the World Peace and Diplomacy Organization. Lastly, I'm the National Clean Content Ambassador, having been awarded by the Kenya Film Classification Board. The limited time that would be left in this administration, I want to promise Nairobians a realistic manifesto. My campaign platform is founded on 5 fundamental central issues. Number 1, I will endeavor to work very closely with the leadership of the Nairobi Metropolitan Services to build wealth creation and security through home ownership for Nairobians. This may sound a huge undertaking, but I am ready to go the full throttle. Within the year of my administration, I will ensure that I bring all stakeholders under one roof and we have a conversation. And the stakeholders would involve the lending, the formal lending institutions, private sector, and other relevant national government bodies to ensure that packages are tailored to suit the various socioeconomic population categories that we have in the city of Nairobi. I run on the platform of quality and affordable healthcare for all, especially for women. Under my leadership, no woman will ever give birth on the streets of Nairobi. Again, I will work with the existing leadership to ensure that services come to our people as closest as possible and at the quality that they are assured of by the Kenyan Constitution, and most importantly, at a price or cost that they can afford. Number 3, I come in on a platform of providing support, and by support I mean realistic and sustainable support to young mothers to go back to school pregnant, and a myriad of things. And we also realize that children born out of such girls would also just be propagating the cycle of poverty and will live a worse life than their own mothers. So it's very imperial for a deliberate effort to be made to ensure that, pregnant or not, go back to school. What is it that is stopping you from going back to school? We come in and fix those. Until a time when now you need to go and have your baby, so go have that baby, but a plan is clearly laid down in collaboration with the family and other social support systems to ensure that if she has to come back to school, there is someone or a peer. This is a huge constituency of young women that my administration will not ignore. You will agree with me that come Monday, on the 4th of January, when schools open, a good chunk of these young women and girls will not see the light of a classroom again ever. Realistically, within just over 12 months that I will have in my hands to work with, I will work very closely with the leadership of the NMS to ensure that the services that currently are being implemented under the NMS prioritize young people of Nairobi with a cascade of skills to be absorbed within the public works, to be absorbed within the healthcare